Today, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan, gluten-free chocolate mousse cake. The crust is crunchy with gluten-free oats and hazelnuts, and the filling has a silky smooth texture that will melt in your mouth. Are you ready? Well then, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to line a 6-inch spring-form pan with parchment paper, just like that. Add the oats, hazelnuts, and cacao powder into a food processor. So first we have 1 cup rolled oats. We have 1/3 cup of hazelnuts. And we have 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. Process until combined. Next, we're going to add the maple syrup and coconut oil. Process into a moist mixture about 30 seconds. So, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3, and 4. And next we have 1 tablespoon of beautiful maple syrup. We're going to scrape down the sides, make sure that everything is evenly blended. And cut. So now that we've processed it into a moist mixture, we're going to firmly press the dough into the bottom of the pan. Just like that. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until the crust appears golden brown. And then we'll let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before adding the filling. Into the oven we go. Now we're going to make the filling. We're going to heat the coconut cream, coconut oil, and maple syrup in a small saucepan over medium heat, stirring. 1 can of coconut cream. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Heaping tablespoons, ha ha ha. So we love our maple syrup. There we go. And now we're going to heat the coconut cream, coconut oil, and maple syrup in our small saucepan over medium heat and stir. And while our coconut cream is heating on the stovetop, our crust is coming out of the oven. Here it comes. Now we need to turn the heat to low and add the chocolate. That's 300 grams or 2 cups of vegan dark chocolate chips. Now that we've let our filling cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to pour the chocolate filling into the pan. Then we're going to refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours until set. give your pan 2 or 3 good whacks on your bench to loosen any air bubbles in the batter. Air bubbles. There you have it, a chocolate mousse cake, gluten-free vegan dessert. We're just going to go around. Just a little bit around the edges. Here we go. You ready? Here's the unboxing. It's okay. It'll be nothing about special. How's it taste?
It's very good. It's so smooth.
So please do me a favor and click the thumbs up like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
What a chocolate hit. Outdid yourself.